Have you ever wondered if it's safe to be working or exercising outdoors? With the new Wet Bulb Globe Temperature or WBGT forecast feature from Earth Networks, you can see how high the WBGT is expected to be in the next 5 days. To find this new feature, open up Sferic Maps, select Current Observations from the Map Layer tab, and go down to Wet Bulb Globe Temperature WBGT layer and turn it on. Now navigate to your point of interest, click the station you would like to see. The Map Data tab will open, showing you the station location and current conditions. Expand the plus sign and select the Online Weather Center link. The Online Weather Center will open in a new browser tab. You will see the WBGT high forecast value on the 10-day forecast tab here for the next 5 days. To view an hour-by-hour forecast, select the Hourly Forecast tab. By choosing Show All, you can see the forecast for the next 72 hours. Now you know how to use the new WBGT forecast feature. Thanks for watching!